Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your outfit in the Snapchat app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So let's just open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the avatar. And here on the left side we have this coat hanger. We can tap on this, and then we have a few, actually not a few, but quite a lot options to customize our outfit inside the app. Here we can choose pants, we can choose shoes as well as socks, jackets, hats, everything. So it's up to us how and to what extent we customize our avatar. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.